Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your watch list on the investing.com application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the investing.com application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now after you have logged in order to create or edit your watch list, tap on the watch list option at the bottom right corner alongside the more option. Now you will be taken into your portfolios page. If you already have a portfolio or a watch list, you can tap on it and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner to make any changes. You can also tap on the edit button at the My Portfolios menu to edit your current watch list. You can also tap on My Watch List and tap on Add Symbol in order to create your first watch list to get started. Simply choose your symbols that you want to add to your watch list, and once you have added them, tap on the View button. You will then be taken into your watch list page where you will be shown all of the assets that you have set. If you wish to edit this or make any changes, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Edit Portfolio. You can also tap on the plus icon to add more assets into your watch list. From the Edit Portfolio screen, you can delete all of the assets if you wish to do so and then tap on the Save button. And there you have it. That is how you can make changes to your watch list on the investing.com application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.